no one can harm you. Darling, mama, let me have you. Boy,
Yes, you driving me crazy. I take drugs on a daily. Pull out the rubber, you're the Mercedes. Yeah, she got my heart racing, racing. Foreign cars, foreign hoes, yeah, we got a lot of those. 10 beds on my Gucci coat, 10 hoes in the studio. Yes, I'm gonna miss you, Joe, but I gotta let her go. Spanish bitches love the call, put my dick shit on the throat. I know that's your baby daddy, bro. Took your wife backstage at a festival. Penthouse 54 float, let's go. And my hotel came with a stripper pole.
around you. The young mommy, let me hold you. Let me arms right around you, girl. Boy, good love and got all around you. To make sure no one can harm you. Darling, mommy, let me have you. Boy,
If you ever get to feel my touch, then you might never get enough. Yes, I know you feel the ambience. Love you like I never see you again. Only real cause I'm not for pretend. Reaching out with your arms extended. My love, busy emergency. And I can sense the urgency. Come let me walk. Your body is just for me. It was like sorcery. She left me like an alcoholic.
around you. The young mommy, let me hold you. Let me arms right around you, girl. Boy, good love and got all around you. To make sure no one can harm you. Darling, mommy, let me have you. Boy,
Hey mamá, te espero un par en mi cama. Me encanta la forma en que me hablas. Invita a tu amiga a la Juana, a que fumemos como fumamos en La Habana. Siempre andamos positivo, esa es la forma en que vivo, activo. Que se jode que no esté